Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Life imposes things on us that can be controlled. But still, we have the choice of how we are going to live. I'm Cedric, and I'm about to take you through my journey.
Purchase your track today.
Fortunately, Naya was online, so I took a chance and sent her a hi.
Purchase your track today.
Naya is a student of University of Ghana. As we kept chatting on Twitter, one thing led to another, and we started chatting on WhatsApp. We chat about academics, life in general. As time goes on, we were so fond of each other that we confided in each other.
You know what? I'm sorry you had to go through all that.
No, come on. I've moved on, so you don't have to be sorry.
Well, it's good it's over because you're in good hands now.
Meaning?
Naya,
Hey.
what is it? What's with this face you are carrying right now?
I was talking to the boy I met on IG. I'm not sure what he wants though.
What do you mean? I don't get it. What is it?
He said something funny over the phone. I don't know. Let's just wait and see.
But you like doing this, so do you know that?
You know I don't date. I don't like him. Sit.
Today, this, tomorrow, this, that, like, why? You really have to put a stop to it. You know that. You really have to put, I'm serious. Honestly,
I'm not playing
serious.
either.
But today, different guy. Tomorrow, IG. Tomorrow, Facebook.
It's social media. What are we supposed to do on social media?
So are you supposed to date on all the medias? How many do you have on Instagram?
Why are you exaggerating? I don't have any.
Facebook.
I'm not on Facebook, you know that.
TikTok.
Tease.
How many? Tell me.
You know I don't date. I'm just entertaining them.
That is what I'm talking about. You need to put a stop to it.
I'm having fun. It's
having fun.
Uh-huh.
By the time you realize.
Where?
By the time you realize.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Put a stop to it.
Let me just have fun.
Read my lips. Put a stop to it.
Yes, ma.
Good.
We good?
Thanks for calling me, ma.
You're always
Don't
welcome. You look like one though.
honestly.
I'm sorry.
Me. But honestly, I'm serious.
I know you
I'm
are.
serious.
I'm just having fun. Let me just have fun.
Should I call him? Or should I just text him? Let me call him. Call him. Hi. I'm fine. How are you? Nothing much. I'm just relaxing at home. I miss your voice. I want to hear your voice again.
Yeah, sure. Why not? You know I'm always ready to talk to you.
Of course. I know. I'm getting used to your voice now. I can't do without it. It's not my fault. You can't blame me.
Yeah, I'm here.
Listen, I'm not going to make promises because I might fail, but take my word. I want to be there for you. I want to be the right man for you. Make this work. Make us stronger than ever, unbeatable. People who admire us and all that.
Cedric, see, I know you're a good man, but I just don't want history to repeat itself in my next relationship. fine. All right. Can I have some time to think about it?
I mean, that's fine, and you have all the time in the world to think about it. Let me know. That's fine. You take care. That's my favorite color. Yes. What? You didn't have to come back. Okay. I'll give you some calm instrumental. Go with that. Okay. Now go. Okay. Oh, your spoon. Go. Easy. You 360.
I'm not even gonna let this thing.
You can complete the first one.
I know.
Go. Okay. You see? You don't want to complete it because you want to see everything like I like this hair.
You.
See?
Then I go so.
Naya, where? Naya, we're fine.
Hey. Me jina are ndi asem. Nti uso down na ehu pa o. Na o dan go one asem no na o style be no.
Well, me feel Naya no something.
You see that way they do for the bell top. Huh?
I catch the girl, but you
Which girl?
Oh, you spoil the team, make her sleep. Oh,
Hey, sorry, na me dem no nkasa.
Charlie, you worry me.
Na we go peti wo za John lifestyle no nya e. Huh? Na mo dan no so mu na no la be no. Huh?
No, the girl, she did it hard.
Hey, yo.
It's Joe made it.
I see the girl.
Yo.
Naya. Naya.
Yo, now what?
What about
Me who
Who Naya?
Charlie, me to was I then a coso. Huh?
So what's up?
And now they told me bounty out me suspicious level be a la style.
I said, now make a note. I said, I see Naya for dreams. I kiss Naya.
Yo, said no, you know, Kasa. You know, I'm Kasa. You told your own unique crowd pampo. Into the year also into the Miano Wakika Kasa or the Abigano. I didn't see what's up.
Who I said, now, who because I go business. And the dream, who nice girl, dream, the film. When the last time you kissed me? I mean, you're running out of the film.
I'm saying, now, when we don't want me to ask you, Nipa can ask him, physical that, and your online Oceano. And you can't talk you to the extent say, we didn't know what you make against that team. Or by the open I am come Opo by and come so, and I made a bonk more dying, small. Dying was saying, I don't like na carry you munchero. Open Oceana approaching on for those some tuning. I mean, can ask them there. Kasem pa for 23 no so ye savage oba kro open one approaching no so ye bull no so ye John nigga wanna make you no into relax so open power work mema tutorials make sure 1 or 2 be 1 or 3 be or be din koma bibia be so
see I'm feel no me what dying if I kiss her in the dream I feel good
yeah into the John come on make a physical life at just die
I mean let me go
hey.
Kiss her in the dream
Cedric yo Cedric I know what happened yeah.
Hey baby.
Hi, handsome.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
What do I owe this audio I've been expecting?
Just wanted to hear from you, that's all.
Oh, I see my face.
Nope. No, that's not fact.
Why didn't you call on audio call?
Let me switch to audio call.
Really? No.
Okay.
It's fine. Oh, you carried your hair today.
What happened to the ponytail? How do I look?
Now, allow the hair.
Oh.
Want to hold it up today?
What's up? Are you home? Alone.
I need you by my side. I mean, just be here when you come around. My pillow is suffering, you know, because of you.
I could tell.
So what am I doing? What
So,
are the plans for the weekend?
I have no plans though, but I'm sure you're going to see me soon. Okay.
Ever since I got to know you, this is the second time you're telling me that. No plans. You're always busy. So, we have a weekend. Fix it up.
Alright then. Talk to you later.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna cook? Are you gonna take a shower?
I'll just lie down.
Just lie down. That's a
Probably
boring
take a
life.
nap.
Pick a book and read.
I want to take a nap.
Okay, that's fine. Well, dream about me when you close your eyes. I'll be chasing you with powder on my face.
With what?
Madam movie.
No.
Take care, baby.
Be safe too. Mwah.
Welcome. I'm afraid. It's my space. Okay, offer you, I'll get you water. Yeah, so, 1 second. Pardon my manners, it's just not messy. So, juice or water? Water. I'll do the juice thing. So, you're distracting me. Tell me, what brings you into my space? Yeah, we're in this together now. Come join me. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you have all the space to yourself. Huh? Call me. Okay. You've already got my name, so. Is there something else you need? Just feel comfortable, feel relaxed at home. Or you want to sleep? So sleep? Alright, you take the lead. That's the room there. I get the G behind you. It shouldn't be hard. Once she gets here, she wants to relax because the place is beautiful. I'll lead her to the room. Works.
My God! What do you want?
Fiesta.
Hey! Fiesta.
Oh,
Let me give you this one.
Which one is it?
It's fast.
Looks like that. I was here.
So who do you know called Bukan Control?
Deepening.
Okay. No, my mama 5. I'll pay 25 cents. Why now? Don't know what better son. Why now? Move Ben or should that son like? My guy! My guy!
Is it 50?
Yeah. For other pool, yeah. Okay.
Check.
My guy! Be careful! Alright.
It's Joe made it.
I'm the new boy from Antwerp.
No.
Pizza.
I've not ordered any pizza. Check upstairs or something.
Mr. Fred, I'm looking for.
No. Check upstairs. This is not Mr. Fred's. Oh. What's it? Hey, where?
Yeah.
Where are your bags?
Oh, yeah. I forgot to mention that I have a cousin who lives around, so I decided to go and lodge at his place. My bags are actually in the car, which is better. I hope you're okay with it.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's a good idea, actually.
Okay. Well, since it's a good idea, I would like you to visit me there. I have to get going. Yeah.
No?
Yes, I have to go to my cousin's and yes.
Sure. I'll see you.
Alright.
What?
It's Mid Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.